Hi everyone, this is my project, MTA 50 version 1. I'm going to give a general overview of what the project is. So the function of the project is to continuously track and display the real-time location and status of the specific bus using data provided by the MTA. Now this data is displayed on a small LCD screen connected to a Raspberry Pi. Some of the components are a Raspberry Pi, an LCD screen, and some Python software, and you need internet connection. So the code workflow, in order to receive the bus data, you have to request the MTA's API endpoint, and then you use a specific API key to get that data, and then the data is then parsed by a Python script to extract that data for the bus's current state. Then the script uses a library called PIL to create an image on the LCD display that contains the data. Then the image is sent to a display interface, which has its own library, to actually put the text of data onto the screen. Then the entire process is continuously in a loop and is delayed for 30 seconds, and you'll see a change in bus data. So this is a physical setup. There is a Raspberry Pi, there's an LCD screen, and then there's a 3D model. And now for a quick montage of the fabrication process. To work. As you can see, some of the code. Yup.